Hello and welcome to another video from Togatech. My name's Dave. In today's video we'll be taking a look at the Parblo A640 version 2 graphics tablet. Now I've just received this here from Amazon. They were doing a special offer on this tablet for $19.99. So let's take a brief look at this. So the first thing we get in here, this little bubble wrap pouch. Now I was looking for a graphics tablet to use with Photoshop and Blender, just that it gives you a lot more versatility than a standard mouse. Right, here we are. Inside the pouch we have our first item, which is a felt pouch. Now this is obviously for storage of the graphics tablet. It's a nice little made felt pouch with faux leather attachments. You can keep your adapters, cables in there, and then we have here second item. This is a Pro two-fingered glove. Now that's very nice. They supply that. This is to prevent you getting smears of sweat and grease from your hand onto the tablet while you're drawing. It's a nice little touch. And here is the tablet itself. So this is the Parblo, if that's how you pronounce it, A640 version 2 graphics tablet. Comes in a nice little colourful box. Just give you some specifications on it. There we are. The specifications are, it's a 6x4 inch tablet. It has a wireless controlled pen, and it's compatible with Photoshop, with Illustrator and various other graphics programs, again with Blender. It's pressure sensitive. Let's see what we've got inside. So here we are inside the box. We've got a little welcome card. It says thank you for purchasing our product. It's very nice. A warranty card with a serial number, so you can register that for your warranty. Then a little protective piece of foam. And underneath this we have instruction manual, which of course we will not read, but it's fairly basic. Yeah, nothing of great interest in there. And here is the tablet. As I say, it's a 6-inch by 4-inch wireless tablet. It has a 4 programmable function buttons, which you can use for adapting, say, probably the ones will be Control, Shift and Alt, save you having to use your keyboard while in Illustrator or Photoshop, Blender. And what else do we have in the box? Just pop that over there for a moment. And oh right, these are spare nibs for the pen. Got quite a few spare nibs in there, and a nib removal tool. A USB cable for connecting the tablet to your PC or laptop. Unusual shaped connector there, but that fits onto the tablet side. And then just a standard USB on the other. Yep, that's just a standard USB. And then we have these two adapters. Let's get some focus here. These two adapters, because this graphics tablet can be used on mobile phones, it can be used on Chromebooks or any iPads, etc. So they give you these two adapters here. That's a micro USB, so USB to micro USB, and USB to a mini USB, or USB-C, that is, sorry, to USB-C. So it's fully functional on loads of devices. And last but not least is the pen itself. It's very lightweight. There's a little flat tab there with a logo on. A 2-button switch at the front there. Yeah, feels very nice. Quite ergonomic. Fits comfortably in your hand. Yeah, it's nice. That's it. Okay. Right, let's just quickly go over what we got. So, a Parblo A640 version 2, nice little box. And then we've got the Pro 2-fingered glove, various manuals and warranty cards. A nice felt case to keep the tablet and pen in, USB cable to connect the tablet to your computer, 2 adapters, a micro USB and a USB-C, so you can work with your mobile phones or iPads, etc. Some spare nibs and a nib removal tool, and the pen, which has a 2-function button, pressure sensitive tip, very ergonomic design, and the tablet itself, which is, as I said before, it's a 6x4-inch tablet, has a nice firm feel to it, 4 functioning buttons, 4 programmable functioning buttons, which you can adapt. And that's the whole package together, as I say, from Amazon on special offer, £19.99p. Now we're going to see how it performs. So what you need to do is to load up the drivers. If you just plug it in, it automatically downloads the drivers and installs itself. And then when you're ready, here I've opened Photoshop, and let's have a go. So Photoshop is open, and there we are. It's doing some nice smooth lines. Now you must make sure that you've got there's 2 buttons on the top menu there for opacity and flow, to set them so that they're pressure sensitive. You must have them set on Photoshop. And then this allows you to adjust the flow and opacity using the pressure of the tip of the pen, as you can see here, making very light strokes, and then the firmer I press it down, the darker and thicker the line becomes. Yeah, that feels very good. Good. There's a slight time lag in it, but that could be due to the fact that I'm running OBS at the same time. Now if we change brushes, I'm using the standard brushes from Photoshop. So this brush here doesn't seem to have an awful lot of effect with the pressure sensitivity. Well, here we go. Yep. So we get light strokes, a bit more pressure, we get the heavier strokes. And you can obviously adjust the opacity and flow from the Photoshop menu itself. At the moment I've got it set up quite high. Let's pick another brush, another colour. Oh, it's a smaller brush. Yeah, you're getting lighter strokes there. I think the hardest thing is getting used to it, because you're not actually drawing on the screen, and we're not drawing on a piece of paper. We're drawing a lot further away on a tablet to the side, but you've got a lot more control than you would have with a standard mouse. Pick another brush, and here we go. Oh yeah, this is quite a nice brush. As you can see, you get the lighter, the less pressure you put on the nib of the pen, the lighter it is. The harder you press, the darker and thicker the lines become. I think a lot of it is, as I say, down to the fact that I'm not very artistic and just need a lot more practice. Let's try something else here. I got this actually to try and teach myself how to use Blender for my 3D figures. I don't know if you checked out any of my videos on 3D figures, and also to use in Photoshop, because I'm just taking up a new hobby of toy photography. So I'll be doing some of that. You can check out some of my photographs on my Instagram account. It's under Togatech, and doing a little delving into a bit of toy photography. Got another video on the make at the moment, which is a resin print of a stormtrooper. It's a 1/6 scale stormtrooper, so that should be coming out shortly. Right, let's go for my verdict on the Parblo A640 version 2 graphics tablet. So my verdict is for this tablet, it's cheap. So if you want to take a look at using a graphics tablet and start up, I can recommend it. That it's very cheap. The pen sensitivity is a little bit slow, but it seems to be getting better the more I use it, so I don't know if it's down to the tablet or just down to me. So I think with more practice I should get some decent results with this. Well, again, thanks for watching. Hope this has not been too boring for you. Don't forget to check out my photographs of toys on Instagram on Togatech, and I'll catch you next time.